because I equal fun.
Carmedia.
Here we are in Huaca Pucllana, Lima, Peru. This place is absolutely amazing. 7-story pyramid in the middle of the city. I'm going to tell you all about it because this is just mind-boggling. Vamos. They say that this site took about 300 years to complete, and it's all adobe blocks, one on top of the other. So as the story goes, in the middle of Miraflores, in the middle of the city, was this giant dirt mound that nobody really thought anything about until a hotel chain bought the property and started breaking grounds and discovered a 7-story pyramid underneath. Imagine that. For as long as people could remember, it was only this giant dirt mound, and now it's a 7-story pyramid going back 4,000 years. Oh my God. That is absolutely incredible, and to me, shows that you never know what you're walking on top of, ever. So Huaca Pucllana is not Inca culture, it is Lima culture. We're going back a couple thousand years, probably before the Inca, which is absolutely amazing. I tell people all the time, coming to Peru is literally an Indiana Jones vacation, no matter how you cut it. There's something wild around every corner that'll keep you thinking, keep you coming back for more. At least me. With you, this is absolutely mind-blowing to me. Like, really, to wrap your head around this, a 7-story pyramid in the middle of a damn neighborhood that no one knew about. Like, it's absolutely wild. I just learned a super freaking cool tip about this place. So, you know, it was a hill for so many years that at one point it was like a recreational place for motocross, dirt bikes, bicycles. Like, kids would like make jumps on it, and like they would use it for like Evel Knievel stuff. Little did they know that they were on top of a 7-story, 2,000-year-old pyramid. Motocross that. So that is a wrap on Huaca Pucllana. You can't get a more cultural, more mind-bending experience than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Karpontour, and follow the Peru Guru because he's always got you. I shall see you soon. Ciao. Psh.